how to add items to collection in Roblox. So the first thing that we want to do is click on the menu icon here in the top left, and then we'll go into inventory. So if you want to create a collection, then we will choose some items here. So for example, I'll do the red Roblox cap. We want to open up the item itself, click on the three dots, and then select add to profile. Now I'll go back here and I'll do this for some other items as well. So I'm just gonna click on it, click on the three dots, add to profile, and I'll do one more for good measure. So this one, going to add just to profile. Now, where can we locate this collection? If we open up our profile and if we scroll down, you will see collections like so, and here you will see your collections and items that you have added to your inventory. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.